So we're getting into Utah. We're headed to Sand Hollow. Gonna be a great weekend. It's you. What's up, everyone? We're here today at Sand Hollow, Utah. Check out that beautiful sand and red rock. We're here with a bunch of my good Jeeping buddies, and we're gonna go hit some rocks today. Scrape some Jeeps across them. So, let's get going. This thing is like a crazy cool Frankenstein of all sorts of different parts, man.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, first time riding in it. I've seen it on around for a while now. Nobody's a historic vehicle like you, though.
Yeah, true that.
What year is this thing?
73, dude.
Dang.
73. 40-something years old.
Wow. But it's on, you said it's on a 93 chassis?
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
Newer chassis, more modern suspension and steering, and basically we took the old look and put it on a newer, you know, something that could actually ride around out here.
Dude, it's sick. This thing is like a work of art, man.
Yeah, I love it, dude. Twin stick.
Oh, bottle opener.
Yeah. That was one of the few mods that I did leave.
Oh, that was on here?
The original owner.
No way.
Yeah, the original owner had it.
That's awesome.
Dude, he put trailer lights on the bottom as little rock lights back in like the 80s.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing was kicking butt in the 80s before we even
even around.
Yeah.
We're playing with toy cars.
Yeah, we're pushing Hot Wheels.
Yeah, buddy. Like the butter. Every day we shuffling. Every day we shuffling. Nice, dude. Hey, dude, this thing gets it. Introducing group leaders, Andy and Cindy. Dual flags. Now crawler crack. George ready for his intro shot? Yoo! Ooh, dude, I like your passenger.
Thank you, sir. Very refreshing.
Nice.
Seems to be good to me.
That's a good passenger too. Get you some. Balls Jeep, group leader. I called you the group leader.
Oh, no.
Is that okay?
I'm not the group leader.
I feel like you are.
George's the group leader for now.
I don't know, these flags, they command attention. They say, follow me.
Right, hey,
Are you ready? You ready? Oh, wow.
it's a little red feather.
Last year you had the wig and now you got the little red feather.
Good for this year.
Dude, what you got here?
Pull in and stick your tire on the front of the
It's really big.
Can I feel it?
See?
Oh, wow. It feels real.
But
Dang. Classy.
I appreciate you.
I'm gonna have to touch that later because I touched the wig, you know? What? Did I say it? Mr. Krabs!
good morning.
How you doing?
Well,
Dude, I'm excited to see Krabs mob. You mobbed the hardest last time, if I do say so myself.
passenger forward, yeah, right there. Back tire sticking this time. You're safe in like a foot and a half. Yeah, I just went over. Let it shift towards us. You're safe. Right there. Just having fun.
Dude, this thing's got some new mods too, eh?
You gotta break things in through place.
dude, we got quite the diverse and big group.
Yeah.
It's crazy. There's the start with our American flags. Nate, are you down to mob or what?
Down to mob, brother!
Woo, woo, woo.
Oh, hey, Roy.
Nice recliner chairs right here. Woo-hoo. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Roy. We got a good solid group here. Oh yeah. This thing's a beast, man. Oh yeah, you see that? 4x Chef. Chef cooked an epic meal for everyone last night. Brisket that he smoked back home. Now he's ripping on the trails. Just awesome.
If you're in the Southwest and you need catering, you got to hit up Carlton at Blue Collar Bistro. Email him at 4bychef@cox.net. That's FOURBYCHEF@cox.net. This is not a paid advertisement. Carlton is just super badass.
There you go, right about there, yeah. You go hard, actually a little harder, driver.
One of the coolest parts about this trip was seeing all the different rigs that ran the same lines. From a Jeep Cherokee XJ on 33s to a rock buggy that completed King of the Hammers in 2014. To a Can-Am side-by-side, tons of Jeep JKs. It was a blast.
Oh, we got Nate the Ripper for his second appearance at Sand Hollow round 2. This time, though, Nate came real prepared to rip in the old Can-Am Turbo. Crawl and rip.
Maybe driver a bit, yeah, nice, man.
Sometimes you just gotta let it go.
You! Looks like someone's holding up the trail. Who is it? Oh, what? It's these guys. You holding up the trail? Nah, I'm just kidding. Representing.
Boys, man.
Saluting.
Phil.
AZ, Merca, you.
Boys, man, that's how, you know,
That's how we do.
that's how we do it.
Gotta take a little break, enjoy the scenery.
Thanks so much for watching part 1 of our Sand Hollow adventures, and stay tuned for part 2 where we go over all the parts we broke, times we flipped, and recoveries that were made.
Thanks so much for watching. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Hit the like. Only question is, are you down to mob?